That's where I had to park. That road just dead ends at some prospects. But that's the road I'm heading up right now. I know it doesn't look like much, but it doesn't really matter because I can only drive so far. Because after another couple hundred feet, it becomes a footpath. Because the mines I want are on the other side of that peak. And the only way is by this footpath because it is near the top of the mountain. That's the last nice part of the road. No clue where that culvert was. I'm actually thinking it might have been here. Who knows? Who knows? All I know is it is currently 83 degrees out, 10 o'clock in the morning, so it'll probably be upper 80s, low 90s today. And I got a little bit of a hike ahead of me. Well, there's the first set of mines. These are the easy ones to get to. The ones I'm going to end the day in are the ones, I don't know if you can see it, the ones way up there. That should be fun. Interesting. Very interesting. Looks like there should be something right there. The thing that's killing me, I'm not seeing any footpath yet. It might be a little bit closer, a little bit harder to see. Or actually, that might be it. We'll see when we get closer. We will be checking out that furnace. That is awesome. Let's see here. So it looks like I can go over there. I still don't see a trail to the upper mines. I might have to bushwhack up. Oh, that'd be a nightmare. No, this wasn't a good idea. Okay. Well, since we're already in the wash, let's go check out the furnace first. There we go. Oh, that's movie. Try to find my best path for more walkie-walkie and less breaky-ankies. Do not want to hurt my ankle out here. I blew out my knee one time and had to hike out 7.5 miles with a knee that was the size of a cantaloupe. That was no fun. Oh, that breeze feels good. Oh, so we had some stairs there. Of course we did. Oh, that is so nice looking. I still don't see a path up to those upper mines. It looks like I just got to shoot straight up. There should be a path, though. Yeah, according to the topo, there is, but the topos are old, the old USGS ones. That actually might be it. I don't know if you see it over there, which would make sense. So if we shot up there, right along the ridge line, and there, right there is the tram tower. All right, back to this. Very cool. there's a faint footpath right there. Well, let me get some lights on and we'll start a tunnel explore. All right, here we go. I went ahead and did a couple 360s. I'll put the 360 image links into the description below, so if you guys want to see them, they'll be up. I try to do them in the tunnels too, but first there has to be something cool inside the tunnels. Lately, I haven't been doing anything cool inside the tunnels except for just exploring. I don't know how deep this goes because most of that tailing or waste rock could actually just be from the upper tunnels. This is a big one. I mean, I'm 6'5" and I'm standing straight up. Let's go ahead and turning up the juice a little. Well, it still has the sleepers for the track. Nice. Thought that was something else. Goes back a lot further than I thought it was going to. I wonder if it's a haulage tunnel for the upper tunnels. And if that's the case, then those upper tunnels are probably stopes that they broke out. They didn't fall from the ceiling, that came from somewhere. Of course it came from somewhere. It's a rock. It has to come from somewhere. Okay, that came from up in here. Okay, it's starting to get stuffy. But it doesn't mean anything, really. I've had it before where it starts getting stuffy, and all of a sudden I start getting a blast of wind in the face. But it is something to note. That is a big borehole. Interesting. Yeah, see, there's another big one. It's almost like they were using a big single jack. Huh. One that's automated. That's just way, I mean, look at the size of that thing. That is huge. Because this is normal, which you usually find in older mines. And even in older, much older mines, they're even smaller than that because they were done by hand. That's pretty. There's some carbide. Finally, I'm starting to see some. Even though they're just markers, location markers, I mean, it's still nice to see them. Burlap. No, that's canvas. No, that is burlap. I was right the first time. Big stope, pretty bad. It's the end. Oh well. Now let's get ahead and get on out. Start working our way up to the upper tunnels, or upper workings, because I don't know what they are yet. I was actually thinking this might intersect with them, but it didn't. Oh, there we go. I like documenting these. Oh, look how that. This is for a core drill. where they were using it for coring. Look at that twisted. Oh, that is cool. Boom. I like it when you see stuff like that, where the drill came through. That's that. It's like almost clay. This stuff, when it's wet, turns into a bluish clay. Very similar look to the stuff that how they found silver in the Comstock. Thought I saw a pack rat. Yeah, see, that's coming down. Yeah. I'm saying that as I'm playing with it. Oh, there's a nail. Look, it's coming down. Let me play with it. And they're looking at going that direction. There's the entrance. Well, I'm out. So I am going to go ahead, get my equipment packed up, and start heading on up. So you can see one of the towers, and I don't know if you could see one of the cables. Looks like the path is right along there. So I'm going to go ahead and start climbing up. And this is going to have to be a two-parter. And I guarantee this video is already over 20 minutes. So if this gets you excited to do some exploring on your own, do it. Have fun, be safe, and I'll catch you in part 2 of this one. And I'll be up there.